What's going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and you guys are probably not going to see this for weeks and weeks and weeks to come, but we have a special surprise, a new addition to the channel. Before we go ahead and start this video up and get you guys all rustled up, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will hit you up with more content as you do, and it helps me and it helps you see more videos like this. For a couple weeks now, we've been thinking about adding another car to the channel. This is actually not my car. The car's gonna be real close to me, let's just say that. Alrighty, so here it is. It's running right in front of me right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around. We got a 2013 R-Spec Genesis Coupe 2.0 Turbo. As usual, you're probably thinking we're gonna get a brand new one. Of course not. This is a car channel that is based off of rebuilt cars. So we bought one that's a little bit wrecked at an auction at Copart for about $5,198. It has 126K miles on it. It is a manual transmission. It runs and drives. It only has cosmetic work that it needs. As you can see, it's fully running right now. No check engine, nothing on the dash. It's perfectly clean all the way around, other than the stuff that you see right here. But we're gonna go ahead and go in depth and show you guys what we're probably gonna have to replace. Well, first things first, we're gonna need a hood. I've already sourced one out. Definitely gonna need one headlight on this side. As you can see, it's all the way cracked. I'm not gonna need another fender. This can get bundled out and repaired. We're gonna need the grill that goes right here. These are really easy to find. The car's still a pretty new car, so most of the parts are still in stock. That's most of the damage. All the damage actually is on the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood open so you guys can see some more. So as you open the hood, this nice dusty engine bay has been probably sitting for a year or two, but have to replace this. But more than likely, all this stuff right here can be pulled out, and we won't have to replace nothing. Nothing is actually affected or damaged here. The hood prop pin pulled back in some, but like I said, nothing here is exactly damaged. May need another radiator, but I'm not thinking it would need to be so. Other than that, all the damages over here are pretty good. Everything's intact, nothing's running loose. Everything's fine other than the headlight, obviously, that it's literally hanging by a thread, but we have high hopes for this car. So pretty much this car is going to my little brother. He went ahead and decided to make a big money purchase and purchase himself a Genesis Coupe out here, as you can see. So this is my boy's car. I already kind of did a rundown of the car a little bit, but let's try to act surprised. Stick shift, as you can see, still running and driving. There's really nothing on the dash other than needs some window washer fluid, one of the tire pressure. One of the tires are going a little low on air. I mean, it's been sitting for like 5 ever, so it makes sense. I think still got plenty of gas. We got plenty of gas. But here you are. I really like this. Whoa. It got gauges. It tells you your PSI on the car, since we did get a 2.0 turbo one, which is a really nice feature. We got oil temp, and we have fuel consumption, which is really nice. The seats are a little flaky-ish on the interior, but that can easily be fixed. Well, I wouldn't say easily, but it can be fixed. Smells like buns, though, not gonna lie, but what can I say? Dude, the amount of things that we found in this car like right now is absolutely traumatizing. I feel like the guy that had this car before him was an armed robber, a drug dealer. More rounds and more rounds. Oh, we ain't done yet. We ain't even done yet. His playlist was something else on his USB, and the fact that he used a USB in a car, I am very that's questionable. Whole lot of, golly, the car stank. Damn. We got more safety glasses from pretty sure shooting. Some practice stuff for shooting again. This is a hot dog mess. Keep that out the car. Candy look like it don't expire and whatever. Oh, probably was sitting here stinking. That's what it is. That's what's stinking. Damn. You just be in here going crazy. Hey, I want you to give me a couple revs. Give me a couple revs. Give me a couple revs in your new car, man. Funny thing is, the car came with an aftermarket exhaust, so that's a really nice added touch. We were thinking about all the things we're gonna do, and we're like, yeah, we definitely had to get an exhaust, and here we are, we got one. One of the hangers are loose, so it's a little wobbly, but we're gonna fix that once we get all the major stuff out of the way. If you're new to the channel, and if you don't already know, what we do is pretty much take a car with a salvage title. You get it repaired, you can't paint it until after what we call an inspection. In Georgia, to pass inspection, you need to have all the parts that are on, all the parts put back on the car that were damaged and replaced. Have someone physically look at it and make sure there's no frame casualties or anything like that, and make sure everything was fixed before they can pass it, so you can go ahead and make the car roadworthy again, so it can be registered again, and then it gets a rebuilt title for you to drive. Really excited. This should be a really clean build from a bro. It's his first car, so really excited, and just gonna keep pushing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed looking at this car all day. I ain't even get to drive it yet, but catch you guys in the next one. There'll be more videos on the car when we get some parts on and get some parts and all those things, and we'll be giving you guys updates until it's finished, and there's even more to come after that. It's not gonna stay stocked for long. All right, so I guess I'll catch you guys later, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.